Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop a web page from auto-refreshing in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on these three dots to open the main Chrome menu. This is where you'll find access to various browser settings and features. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. When you hover over it, a submenu will appear with additional extension-related options. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will open a new tab and take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace, where you can find thousands of add-ons to enhance your browsing experience. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. In this search bar, type Tab Auto Refresh and press Enter. This will bring up relevant extensions that can help you control auto-refresh behavior on your tabs. The extension you're looking for should appear in the search results. When you see the Tab Auto Refresh extension in the results, click on it to open its dedicated page. This page will show you details about the extension, including user reviews and what it does. To install it, click the blue Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the installation, so go ahead and click Add Extension. The extension will then be installed automatically, and you'll see a notification confirming that it's been added to your browser. Now that the extension is installed, open a new tab and navigate to any website where you want to prevent auto-refreshing. This could be a news site, a social media page, or any other web page that tends to refresh automatically. Once you're on the website, look at the top right corner of your browser near the address bar. You'll see a small puzzle piece icon which represents your extensions. Click on this icon to view all your installed extensions. From the drop-down menu that appears, find and click on Tab Auto Refresh. This will open the extension's control panel, giving you access to its features and settings. In the panel, you'll see various refresh options. Look for the option labeled No Auto Reload and click on it. This setting ensures that the current tab will not refresh automatically, keeping your page static and preventing any unwanted reloads. After selecting No Auto Reload, click the Apply button to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully stopped your web page from auto-refreshing in Chrome. The page will now stay exactly as it is until you manually refresh it yourself. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.